Installing a processor and heatsink fan module. To install the processor, align the small notches on the processor with the tabs on the socket. Align the small triangle of the processor with the triangular mark on the socket. Lower the processor evenly into the socket. Close the processor retainer and push the handle to the locked position. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should consist of about 0.1 milliliter of thermal grease. To install the fan and heatsink module, align the 4 screws on the heatsink and fan module with the corresponding screw holes on the system board. Make sure the fan cable is close to the heatsink fan connector. Partially fasten screw 1, fully fasten screw 2, and then fully fasten screw 1. Partially fasten screw 3, fully fasten screw 4, and then fully fasten screw 3. Connect the fan cable to the system board. If applicable, install the optical drive and drive bay 2 cage assembly or the drive bay 2 and 3 cage assembly. Install the server cover.